All right, so for those of you that rely on these generators heavily throughout the winter, I think I just found a really good idea to keep these batteries from going bad on you, because we all know the cold temperature really kills these batteries. So this is the one I bought. You can get these at Harbor Freight for about 40 or 50 bucks. And then what I did here was I got one of their Apache cases. This is the 1800. So I believe this is the smallest one they sell. And so I put a hole on each end. You can see there. It's nice too because it's got this pressure valve on top, so you can kind of let it vent a little bit. And then inside, I took most of the foam out, but I left this foam here, stuffed some on the bottom and on the back, as well as the top here. So hopefully this will keep the battery more insulated throughout the winter, and hopefully you're not having to replace batteries whenever they go cold and die. But super nice fit and finish. I would definitely recommend looking into this, and to anybody that's looking at this and thinking it's a fire hazard, you know, let me know what your concern is down below. I don't see anything that would be a problem with this, so let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys have any suggestions for a different version.